Hi everyone, welcome back to D Square Electronics. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried connecting multiple Bluetooth headphones to a one TV or a phone and it didn't work properly? Or maybe you were in a public place and couldn't hear the announcements clearly because all of those background noises. Well, Bluetooth finally has a solution for all of that and it's called Auracast. In this video, I'll explain what Auracast is, where it's used, how it works and why it's such a big deal, all in a simple and friendly manner. So let's get started. Auracast is a new Bluetooth feature known as Bluetooth Audio Broadcast or a Bluetooth Broadcast Audio, and it is built on a new technology called Bluetooth LE Audio. Normally, Bluetooth works like a private connection where one phone connects to a one headset or a one speaker, at best two. Auracast completely changes this concept. With Auracast, one device or one mobile phone or laptop broadcasts audio to many listeners at the same time. There is no traditional pairing, no need to reconnect again and again. The easiest way to understand Auracast is to think of it like a radio station. The phone, TV, laptop becomes the broadcasting station and your Bluetooth headphones or a Bluetooth earbuds or even multiple Bluetooth speakers act like a receivers. Anyone with a supported device can simply tune into the audio stream and start listening instantly. This is where Auracast becomes really powerful. In places like airports and railway stations, instead of struggling to hear announcements in a noisy and crowded environment, you can receive them directly in your earbuds with clear sound. In gyms and other public spaces, one TV or a music system can send audio to everyone hearing headphones without using loudspeakers. In cinemas and theaters, multiple people can watch the same movie while controlling their own volume, and even different language audio tracks become possible. Auracast is also extremely useful in classrooms and conferences, where a teacher or a speaker can broadcast their voice directly to all students' earbuds. This removes echo, background noises, and microphone feedback issues. At home, Auracast allows your TV to send sound to multiple wireless earbuds at the once, which is perfect for late night movies or a shared watching without disturbing others. One of the biggest advantages of Auracast is for hearing aid users, as it delivers clear and direct audio straight to their devices. Even though Auracast sounds advanced, using it is very simple. First, a device like a smartphone, TV, laptop starts broadcasting audio using an Auracast. Next, your earbuds, headphones, or supported speakers scan nearby Auracast streams just like scanning a Wi-Fi network. You simply select the stream you want to join, tap connect, and the audio starts instantly. There are no pairing codes, no device limits, and no complications. Some Auracast streams can be open for everyone, while others can be a private or a password protected, depending on the situation. Auracast is not limited to headphones and earbuds anymore. Some new Bluetooth speakers also support Auracast. A good example is the JBL Flip 7 Bluetooth speaker, which supports Bluetooth LE audio and an Auracast feature. This means you can control multiple JBL Flip 7 speakers from your one single phone, and it's expanding the beyond personal listening and movie experience into the shared audio experience even though the speakers. To use Auracast, your phone also needs to support it. Popular devices that support Auracast includes Google Pixel 8, Pixel 9 series, Samsung Galaxy S24 and S25 series, and Xiaomi 14 and 14T series phones. Auracast supports can sometimes depend on the software updates and regional availability as well. So check official specifications is always important. Auracast isn't just about sharing audio, it also improves Bluetooth overall. It offers better sound quality, very low latency for the perfect lip sync, improved battery efficiency, support for unlimited listeners and a strong accessibility features. Because of this, Auracast is ideal for both personal and public audio experiences. Auracast is still new, but it is already being added to smartphones, smart TVs, wireless earbuds, speakers, and hearing aids. In the near future, you will see Auracast being used in malls, airports, offices, cinemas, and smart homes everywhere. In simple words, Auracast turns Bluetooth from a one-to-one connection into a one-to-many broadcast systems. It's smarter, clearer, and built for the future. If this video helped you to understand Auracast, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Tech Explained Simply. See you in the next video.